Hey guys, working on a 2010 Scion XD, and I'm going to show you that maintenance required light that comes on. We're going to go ahead and show you the reset procedure on that. We're going to be using the mode button right here in the cluster, and also pretty much you're just going to have the key in the on position. You're going to want to click over and get this on trip A like I have it. You might have to scroll through some options. And let's see, I'm going to have to put the phone down, but what we're going to do uh, we're gonna have the trip on trip A as we turn the ignition off. Before we turn the ignition to the on position without turning the engine on, you're gonna want to hold that trip button. So I might have to put the phone down and let's see if I can prop it here somehow. Let's see. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and hold this down, turn the ignition on, and you're gonna see it click over. Keep holding it down. It'll go trip over to 0, and then you're good. You could just toggle out of it and go back to whatever range setting you wanted. Turn the ignition on, engine on, and light is gone. You are good to go. Thank you for watching, guys.